everyone, let's talk about compound interest. Compound interest is the interest on a loan or deposit calculated based on both the initial principal and the accumulated interest from previous periods. The formula for compound interest is A equal to P open bracket 1 plus R over 100 raised to the power of T, where A here is the total amount after compounding, P is the principal or initial amount, R is the rate of interest per period, usually per year, T is the time the money is invested or borrowed for in years. Now to find only the compound interest, subtract the principal from the total amount. Just say CI, which is our compound interest, will be equal to A minus P. Let's say, for example, if you invest $1,000 at a 5% interest rate compounded annually for 3 years, let's say our P is equal to 1,000, our R is equal to 5, and our T is equal to 3. Now, let's calculate for the total amount using this formula. So it will be A equal to our P, which is 1,000, open bracket 1 plus our R, which is 5, over 100, close the bracket, our T, which is 3. So when we'll go ahead and solve this all out, we'll be left with 1157.63. 1157.63. Now let's say we want to find the compound interest. The compound interest will be, remember, this is our formula for compound interest, A minus P. So our A now in this case will be 1157.63 minus our P, which is 1,000. So if we say CI now will be equal to 1157.63 minus 1,000. So when we subtract this, we'll be left with 157.63. Now, what if you were told to find the compound interest of half yearly? You should use this. Now, in this case, it will be A equal to P of 1 plus, this time around, R over 2 all over 100 raised to the power of T. The compound interest formula half yearly is calculated by this, and in the question, the rate of the amount is calculated by subtracting the value from the principal. The amount of the half yearly compound interest depends on the unit time and the rate of the intervals, as these two values have an exponential function with the amount of the interest. There is this formula I want us to take note of, which is what? A equal to P of 1 plus R over 2 all over 100 raised to the power of 2n. It is the relation of the four quantities. in the compound interest calculation. And it is essential to know the value of the three quantities in equation to calculate the value of the fourth quantity. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.